Most people using Earnin make one mistake that keeps their borrowing limit painfully low. They think simply using the app more will automatically unlock bigger cash advances. But here's the truth no one tells you. Earnin mainly increases limits based on consistency, income patterns, and account behavior. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to increase your Earnin limit in 2026, what the app actually looks for behind the scenes, and the fastest ways to improve your chances of getting higher advances safely. Let's start with the most important factor right away. Earnin wants to see stable income activity. That means regular, direct deposits, predictable work schedules, and healthy banking behavior. For example, if Jake gets paid every Friday from the same employer and maintains consistent deposits, Earnin is much more likely to gradually raise his limit over time. But here's the problem. Many users connect accounts with inconsistent income or irregular deposits and expect instant increases. That usually slows everything down. Earnin's system relies heavily on tracking income patterns. If your account constantly fluctuates or has missed deposits, the app becomes more cautious about increasing your borrowing amount. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the easiest ways to improve your limit is simply repaying advances on time without overdrafting your account afterward. That tells the system you can manage advances responsibly. For example, Alex borrows $100 and repays it successfully several times without negative balances or failed payments. Over time, Earnin may gradually trust him with larger advances. And here's another hidden factor many people overlook: bank account stability. Switching bank accounts frequently or disconnecting payroll information can sometimes delay increases because the app has less consistent financial data to analyze. This is where most people fail. They use the app aggressively instead of strategically. Some users borrow the maximum amount every single paycheck cycle. Then repayment leaves them short again immediately. That creates a risky financial pattern that may hurt future increases instead of helping them. In a minute, I'll show you the safest strategy experienced users follow. First, avoid overdrafts whenever possible. Second, maintain regular direct deposits into the same account. Third, repay advances smoothly and consistently. And fourth, avoid constantly changing, linked banking information. These small habits matter more than most people realize. Now let's talk about timing. Limit increases usually do not happen overnight. Many users see gradual improvements after several weeks or months of stable account activity. Patience and consistency are much more important than trying to force quick increases. And there's another thing you should know. Instant transfer usage may come with extra fees depending on how quickly you want access to funds. Repeated rush transfers can quietly become expensive over time. So what's the best way to increase your Earnin limit in 2026? Focus on stable deposits, responsible repayments, avoiding overdrafts, and keeping your account activity predictable. Earnin rewards financial consistency more than almost anything else. The key is building trust with the system instead of treating it like unlimited emergency money. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your current Earnin limit. And stay tuned, because next we're comparing Earnin versus Dave to see which app gives bigger advances in 2026.